Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So I've been asked a lot, how do I schedule my week and how do I schedule my homeschooling? So I figured why not make a video on that. And this right here is my Happy Planner Teacher's Edition. I love it so much. As you can see, I have one right up there, my personal planner. I use that one every day, and it's just very convenient and just easy to it's just easier for my day. I have 4 kids and it's pretty busy. So as you can see here, I already filled up my week for my last week's schedule. So today we are going to begin this new week. And this week is from Monday the 24th up till Friday the 28th. And this is my cute little teacher sticker book. I got it from, I believe, Amazon. No, I got it from Walmart. So yeah, these are super cute stickers. I love, 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 love using them when I schedule my week just for fun, just to make my little weekly planner look cute. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate just a little bit and add some stickers before I get on and start writing. Okay, so now I finished decorating and now I'm going to begin writing. So usually I write the subjects at the top. The first one will be language arts, and then I'm going to go all the way up to English, math, science, and social studies. So yeah, homeschooling has been pretty good so far. As you can see, I'm trying to get better at my calligraphy. I'm not that good, but I'm trying. I've been really into that. But yeah, homeschooling has been very good. We've been doing lots of basically everything: English, math, social studies, and science. I know I've noticed that a lot of people like to stick with one subject a day, but for me, I feel like doing all these subjects in one day just works out better for us. So yeah, we've been doing lots of narrative writing, pronouns, verbs, nouns, all that type of stuff in English. And my son is in 2nd grade now, so he's beginning to learn all of that stuff. And then as for math, we've been doing expanded forms so far. What else have we been doing? Addition with big numbers and subtraction. We've been doing counting by 2s, by 3s, 5s, 10s, and a little bit of multiplication. So yeah, and as for science, we've been doing, well, so far we've done the water cycle, photosynthesis, and the animal life cycle. And as for social studies, we've been doing how to be a great citizen, culture, and right now we're going to be doing like the rights and authorities as a citizen. So yeah, everything's been going great. Let me know down below what grade is your child in, and do you have a happy planner or a planner in general, and how do you schedule your week? So here I am fixing my mistake. I had accidentally, so this is what happened, okay? So at the top, I counted, as you saw earlier, I was counting where I'm going to place the subjects, and as I was putting the stickers, I didn't realize that I was supposed to do it just one column over to the left. So I'm just fixing my little mistake here. I'm about to add a new sticker because I don't like when my planner is empty, you know. I just like my little cute stickers, so don't make fun of me. I just love my stickers. When I begin planning, I like to start off with like if I'm doing language arts, for example, I will do that. I'll plan for that day, and then the next day and the next day, I'll go with that column first, and then I'll go on to the next one, the next one, the next one. So that makes it easier for me. Just get them all over with at once. So for language arts, this week we're going to be doing proper nouns on Monday. And then Tuesday we'll be doing finding the subject. On Wednesday we're going to be doing present and past verbs. And then Thursday we'll be doing irregular verbs, and Friday we'll be doing adjectives. For English, what we do every morning as soon as we wake up, after brushing your teeth and all that, we begin with 5 minutes of writing in a journal. I find this, something personal for him and a way for him to get used to writing. So every morning we do 5 minutes of journaling, and then we begin with the English stuff. So for English this week, we're going to begin with a W chart, which is the who, what, where, when, and why in a story. And then Tuesday we'll be doing narrative writing. Wednesday we'll be doing just reading a book and him writing his own version of a story. And then on Thursday we'll be doing prefixes and suffixes. And then Friday we usually do reviews. Okay, now for math, we are going to be doing place value, which is going to be focusing on hundreds, tens, and ones on Monday. And then on Tuesday we'll be doing expanded form and a little bit more practice on the place value. I noticed that he does need a little bit more work on that, so we're going to be doing that. And then Wednesday we're going to be counting by fives. On Thursday we'll do more practice on that, as well as counting by tens. And then on Fridays I like to do a little quiz just to see where he's at and what else he needs more help in. This week we're going to be starting new vocabulary words, so on Tuesdays we'll get the new words, and then on Fridays I'll be giving him a spelling test. Now for science, on Monday we're going to be watching the animal video, and I'm going to have my son take some notes and just observe what he sees. And then Tuesday we'll be doing an animal life cycle. Wednesday, what is matter? Thursday we're going to do a melt and freeze experiment. And then Friday I'm going to be teaching him about electrical energy. And lastly, for social studies, on Monday we're going to be doing how to be a responsible citizen and the traits of an active and informed community. Tuesday we're going to do what makes a quality community. Then on Wednesday, laws and rules, authority and rights. Thursday we'll be doing a T chart. And then on Friday, a review. And this concludes my video. I hope this was super helpful to anybody out there who needs help finding some inspiration for their planner, or just who needs help with homeschooling and planning their week. So, and I would also like to mention that I do have an ebook out. I'm gonna link my website in the description box. It is a vegan recipe book that I worked so hard on, and I want you guys to go check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below. And yeah, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful, productive week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.